So right now, I got this Jack Dempsey that's chasing around all the little, well actually, the little Kenyi cichlids are following him around. And then the big blood parrot there is chasing the dragon blood peacock. So, got the blood parrot, dragon blood peacock. I used to have a flower horn in here, but I traded it for the small blood parrot that's hiding somewhere. And then there's a medium blood parrot in here too. Really cool fish. Oh yeah, and then the pleco. Big common pleco. Be nice if the little blood parrot would come out for the video. And even the medium one, but maybe later. I mean, in the tank over here I have a bunch of convict cichlids. And I'm moving soon, so I gotta get rid of this tank and somehow sell my convicts. There's a convict right there. Hello. Chasing around the other convicts. And there's lots of babies in there too. Just like the Kenyi cichlids had some babies. Then over on the other side of my basement, which is now getting empty and there's no pool table there, there's more comic cichlids. Well, and then beside this tank over here, I have a bunch of guppies and a little betta fish in there somewhere living with the guppies. Oh yeah, there it is by the ship. And then the other guppies I have are in this small tank over here. And I had this tank going, but then I started emptying it out. There's a bunch of plants around here too, right? The algae eater seems to not be eating fast enough.